Welcome. In this video, I'll guide you through pairing Bluetooth headphones, including AirPods and other earbuds, to a Nintendo Switch using the latest system updates. Follow these simple steps to improve your gaming audio experience. Make sure your Switch is updated to the latest version. Then from your home menu, go to System Settings, scroll down to Bluetooth Audio. Now before anything, make sure only up to 2 wireless controllers are connected. Since Switch supports only 2 when using Bluetooth audio, so turn on your headphones and enable pairing mode. It can be AirPods or anything else. Meanwhile, on a Nintendo Switch, select Pair Device. Wait for your headphones to show. Once it shows up, select them and pair. With the device being connected, test the audio and tweak the console volume. And that's how you pair any Bluetooth device with your Nintendo Switch. If this guide was helpful, please like the video, leave your questions in the comments, and subscribe for more clear step-by-step tutorials.